All right, in today's video, we're looking at Apple on a 30-minute chart, and we're going to talk about, taking the work from one decision to the next. And you may have remembered a video that I did a little while back where I had some symmetry support and said that if we continue to hold above the symmetry, then our initial upside target came in at the 177.51 area. Okay, you can probably go back and find that video somewhere here on Twitter. And then also, we had set up other pullbacks that gave us some other targets. And notice that we met two targets this morning in today's session. So we met the target off of the larger swing, the 177.51, and then there was also a 1618 extension off of the smaller swing. And that's pretty much where, the market started to come off this morning. One of the things that I talk about all the time is that many moves tend to terminate at extensions of prior swings, if only temporarily. So yeah, we did absolutely pull back, at least temporarily. And what we did was we pulled back into another support decision. So how do you look at that? Well, you keep on setting up the pullbacks until they don't work anymore. I mean, obviously there's going to come a time where, if Apple's no good anymore, it's going to start breaking the supports, and the setting up these pullbacks is just not going to work. And you would basically be stopped out if it goes below a key zone. But as far as the pullback that we saw today, this is the way I have to look at it. If this low is any good, then the initial upside target comes in at the 1272 extension of the swing into the new zone. So now we have a new target off of this new pullback decision that comes in at 178.78. We have a second zone that's going to come in around, let's see, this is 180.09, which also just happens to overlap the second target off of this swing, at the 179 area. So anyway, if we continue to hold above this key low, then I'm going to look for 178 is the minimum target, and then the 179, 180 area. Okay, so if you're watching this most recent low, obviously you can go down to a 5-minute chart and look at setting up the pullbacks with this in mind, because ultimately I am still going to look for some higher targets in Apple. So hope that helps, and we'll see you tomorrow.